In this video, how to create Venmo account. I will show you step by step how to create a Venmo account. First, open the App Store on your phone. If you use Android, open the Google Play Store. If you use iPhone, open the App Store. Now search for Venmo in the search bar. Tap the Venmo app in the results. Now tap the Install or Get button. Wait for the app to download and install. After that, open the Venmo app. Now tap the option called Sign Up. Enter your email or phone number. Create a strong password for your account. Now enter your full name. Provide your date of birth correctly. Add your address if requested. After that, confirm your phone number. You may receive a verification code by SMS. Enter the code to verify your account. Now you can link a bank account or card. This allows you to send and receive payments. Review your information before finishing. After that, your Venmo account will be ready to use. This is how you can create a Venmo account easily.